Today, 𝗦𝗓𝗠𝗠𝗏 review a unique high-value market opportunity with limited competition and a clear path to rapid revenue generation. Semaglutide has shown remarkable success in treating obesity and type 2 diabetes. But did you know that semaglutide can also be used to treat metabolic dysfunction-associated steatohepatitis or MASH? And what is even more exciting is the potential to combine semaglutide with other therapeutics to create a one-two punch that can help patients in this underserved population. So let's dive in. The market opportunity in MASH is huge and growing. It's estimated that approximately 5% of the adult population in the US is affected by MASH, with rates expected to increase due to the rising prevalence of obesity and diabetes. Currently, there is no widely adopted standard of care for MASH, presenting a significant first-mover advantage for effective therapies. This market is forecasted to reach multi-billion-dollar revenue for leading therapies that combine efficacy, safety, and real-world evidence, or RWE, advantages. What makes semaglutide stand out is its unique hepatic and metabolic profile. While other therapies in development target specific aspects of liver disease, semaglutide has shown not only histological improvement in the liver, but also cardiometabolic benefits highly relevant to the MASH population, a patient group that typically deals with multiple comorbidities. Importantly, semaglutide's robust RWE across type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular outcomes, and obesity provides a differentiated platform for combination regimens in MASH. One promising combination strategy involves pairing semaglutide with FXR agonists, which are currently in late-stage trials. By combining these two therapies, we can potentially reduce bile acid-driven inflammation and fibrosis in the liver. Another exciting avenue is the combination of semaglutide with FGF21 analogs, like those being advanced by Akero Therapeutics. This combination could lead to complementary metabolic regulation, enhancing lipid metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Furthermore, semaglutide can be combined with anti-fibrotics such as TH or beta agonists, which are also in late-stage trials. Targeting the fibrotic architecture of the liver alongside metabolic control may allow us to arrest or even reverse liver damage. The extensive RWE from the diabetes and obesity populations provides clinicians and payers with the confidence needed to embrace semaglutide, allowing for faster adoption in liver disease management compared to novel agents with no commercial track record. Several companies are vying for a piece of the MASH market, including Madrigal Pharmaceuticals, Akero Therapeutics, and Eli Lilly. However, semaglutide's advantages in terms of market presence, scalable manufacturing, and broad prescriber confidence can help it overcome adoption barriers more quickly than its newer competitors. To successfully penetrate the severe liver disease niche, a strategic access plan is crucial. This involves regulatory acceleration through fast-track approvals, leveraging priority review and existing safety data from the obesity and diabetes indications, as well as value-based contracting with payers using outcomes-based models. By demonstrating liver fibrosis regression, reduced cirrhosis progression, and lower hospitalization rates, semaglutide can be embedded into metabolic care pathways, liver clinics, and multidisciplinary obesity programs within health systems. Importantly, payers will increasingly demand evidence of real-world effectiveness across overlapping conditions, a benchmark that semaglutide, with its extensive clinical data, can meet more robustly than experimental pipeline drugs. In conclusion, semaglutide's entry into the MASH market represents a well-calculated convergence of clinical evidence, metabolic versatility, and commercial readiness. With compelling trial results and an unmatched real-world profile, semaglutide is poised to reshape the treatment paradigm for liver disease, particularly through innovative combination strategies that target fibrosis, inflammation, and cardiometabolic dysfunction. Over the next 5 years, we forecast semaglutide to capture a significant portion of the MASH market, generating an estimated $1.5 to $2.5 billion in incremental annual revenue. This high-margin growth will be driven by specialty pharmacy channels and chronic use indications, as well as strategic life cycle extension through combination with next-generation hepatoprotective and anti-fibrotic agents. The semaglutide franchise, through life cycle management and combination innovation, is well-positioned to dominate the MASH treatment landscape, especially with its real-world advantage and broad prescriber confidence. Thank you for listening. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. And stay tuned for more updates on semaglutide and other diabetes medications.